Hello guys, the smart bin is ready for use.
Can I make use of the smart bin?
Sure. As long as it's there, it's not going to close. Okay. It's not filled up yet, that's why the alarm is not triggered. Alright. Let's see whether it's filled up already. It's not filled up. Let's see whether it's filled up already. It's not filled up. It's not filled up. It's not filled up. Let's see. Good. Hello, your smart bin is filled up. You can come for evacuation. Oh, go front, stay in front. Can you see something? It refused opening because it's filled up. Can you notice something now? Until he evacuates, it will not open again. Alright, go ahead and evacuate. Let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. It has a nylon where the gas enter in order to keep the system clean. It's cool, man. The alarm has stopped. Okay, walk to the front. You can keep it first. Walk to the front. Let's see if it will start opening again, which is how we should behave. Very good. What a smart system. Alright. And for information, is rechargeable. Does it have a charger?
Yeah.
Okay. So in case the battery drops, it has it's a rechargeable system. Plug it on the port. So you can see there. You just plug it. But for now, it's fully charged. No need just to show the audience. You can remove it. No need. It's fully charged. It's fully charged. Okay. So one more demo. Break. Hello guys, welcome to Gatronics, where we turn tech concepts into working systems. Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you how the demo you just watched was actualized. So you can see the system.
Looking at how I got the system working, let's start with the hardware components. I will take you through my process here. So I've done the labeling, so I don't want the video to be too long. I've done the labeling. So this proximity sensor We call it ultrasonic. Though in this work, I use it as proximity, checking how close the intending user is to the machine. While this one, I call it inside bin level monitoring sensor. It monitors the level of dirt occupying the bin at every point. Then this is just a buck converter to step down the voltage 12 volts to what the controller and the sensors can actually use. Um, the booster AC motor, you create the mechanism for yourself, a platform that can be moving front and back. You just form a nice door. And I think in case you have any issue doing that, my all under the description section, even in the comment section too. Do well to reach out to me. I'm open to teach you and guide you the more. But please do well to subscribe, share, and comment. Is very very important to us. And here I use two relays to be controlling the bidirectional movement of the DC motor in terms of closing and in terms of opening. So they are indirectly doing the work of H bridge for me. You know what H bridge is. So if you don't, you can comment. You need a video on it that will teach you how it actually works, how the H bridge actually works. Yeah. Alright, I think basically is what you need to do. If you can build this circuit this way, certainly it's straightforward, and then after that, just take you through on the code a bit. Alright, look at the code here which I've used. Took long to get it done this way. Modify, you keep changing things to get what I wanted. Finally, I'm here. So this is what I declared. Starting from the beginning, I declared EEPROM. EEPROM, that's to say I intend saving something. Even if power goes off, I need to retrieve what I saved in the time of operation. And what is that? I intend saving the state of the machine. You check the demo I did. I had to ask the user to go to the front, and as the machine is, if power goes off and during the time the machine was still on, like somebody is putting dirt and power goes off or battery drops beyond what the system can actually work with. As long as the machine was open when that power outage happened, immediately you recharge the battery or power is restored, it automatically closes. Normal thing is that the device should close to avoid causing the environment to be smelling because it's a waste bin. You know what I'm talking about. So it has that feature. This is why I declared it. Then here you talk about the sensors. There are two, one inside, one outside. The alarm pin is at pin 8. The relay pin, close and open and close 9 and 10. Then this is where I declared how you will move close for it to open once you are at this position, and when you are at this position it closes. But not just at that distance, you must stay at the time here up to 5 seconds. When you move away, the machine will check for 5 seconds before closing. So it's not really like just a short boom closes. So every other thing is self-explanatory here. That's where I made the post states of this relates to the first here too in order to and I've started alternating them. Remember the work of each bridge is when one is sending signal, the other one shouldn't send. In that way you're actually making the motor to move in a particular direction. Just something straightforward. So I'll be dropping the full code and the circuit diagram in the description below. But please do well to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Any issues you have, where to reach out to me, I'll drop my links there. I'm always available. So, um, what else do I need to tell you? I think the system is straightforward. Just everything you're having issues with, reach out to me on the comment section. Reach out to me Telegram. You can see my hand is there. I'm open and free and willing to attend to you. Thank you. When you are done with that, you compile, you check your board first. We are using Arduino Uno. You may not only Arduino Nano. You can select Uno, you can select Nano, whatever. Remember, any code that runs on Uno can actually run on Nano and other version. The only difference is the file size. There are codes that will be too much for Nano, and ones that will be too much for Uno. We go for Mega. But you can see our memory size is still at 14%, so it's not that side is that particular fear is not in this code. This is too small for us. So both Nano, just any version of Arduino controller can actually do it very, very well. So when you do that, you have selected the type of board you are using. Click here, come to port. By that time, if you plug it, the port will appear. But right now, um, um the the device have already what's it called installed it inside. So but in your own case you just plug it here, you see the port, then after that you just hit the upload button. But meanwhile, let's compile our code and see if there's any error. I've done it already, but for your own you know what, I'm going to send you the correct code. If you need it, you can just recommend, indicate and tell me you need the code. I will do well to send it. You can see it done compiling. So our code is good to go. Thank you.